All right, folks, welcome. We are here live at IBM TechXchange 2024. With us is an old friend of the show, Keith Townsend.
I am the Chief Technology Advisor at the Futurum Group, still the President of the CTO Advisor. So I get to do a lot of things within the community. I get to travel to these things and advise our analyst customers as well as our enterprise IT customers.
And so what have you learned here at TechXchange? What are you excited about? What are the things that you're going to take away from here?
Small, large language models. IBM has this philosophy that most enterprises are going to need smaller models that can run on CPUs, small accelerators, and building around that ecosystem. And IBM is really reaching out, making an effort to reach out to the open source community.
Yeah, it's really interesting. So we've got LLMs, now we're going to SLMs. We're starting to see some edge plays that are going to be very interesting. There's been a lot of automation talk here as well. And it sounds like from the experience here that IBM is spending a lot more time giving love to the developers.
IBM has been chasing the developers ever since they've lost the developers. Several years ago, they have not been able to recapture that magic, this idea that developers should come to IBM as a first stop for building cloud applications is a bit foreign right now, but IBM does have some serious chops around what they can offer for developers.
Yep, and they've got a long pedigree. They've been around for a hot minute, yep. So it's going to be interesting times to see what they're going to do next.
Yeah, 97% of application API calls goes through some type of API gateway or middleware. 70% of the world's transactions still happen on an IBM mainframe.
Isn't that crazy?
That is crazy, which means that we're going to constantly be building applications around that. This is the center of gravity of where business gets done, and we have to find a way to make these two worlds work well together.
Thanks for coming on. Really appreciate your insights. Everybody, Keith Townsend, the CTO Advisor. Have a great one. We'll see you next time.